All right, John, here's your 427 small block Ford. Give you descriptions, combinations. Got a set of our CNC heads on it. Edelbrock manifold, quick fuel carburetor, MSD, custom ground hydraulic roller. You got the rear sump oil pan, March Onyx on it. Make sure the alternator functions for you. Go make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Doke, 3,600, 475 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 542, peak horsepower 565, ramp 575. So everything's good. Front end's about 15. So what we'll do now is pull pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple things here. See if you're in to find the thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card. It is full of technical information. Highly recommend watching all. In your packet will be this engine spec sheet. It will have a lot of information on there for you. I would read all that. Have a great day.